Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your calendar view to show by month, week or day on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the menu key on the left hand side, and here you can choose to show the calendar by the month, by the week, or by the day. So if I select week, you can see the calendar will now show by the week. So it has 7 days, and then you got the time below that. And I can choose to show the calendar by the day, so it will show all the events for today. You can select a different day, so you can swipe across to select a different day in the calendar, or you can choose today. If you tap on the today icon, it will show the calendar for today. Now you can also go back to the monthly view, and that will show you the calendar in the monthly view. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.